Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Venmo to Linktree. First, if you're looking for a tutorial inside the interface, I'm not going to be able to show you that because I'm outside the US. But of course, it's going to be simple. You don't even to see me clicking on buttons inside the interface. So all you need to do, just go and download the app, log in into the app if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, simply go and create one. So as simple as that, we'll just go and follow this article. Very simple. So of course, here, as you can see, our payment links are different. So shuttle payments basically, which is link tree, of course, are not limited like others. We recognize that businesses like need flexibility. And as you can see, if you can like see here, there's PayPal, there is Stripe. Even if you cannot connect even like Venmo directly, you can connect it to PayPal and you can connect even your PayPal to Venmo. And it's very easy, like three connections, but it does the job. But as you can see, our payment links are not tied to any payments providers. They can let customers define the amount, or you can be very specific about how much they were for. Of course, you can use payments gateway. There's 30 plus payments providers, and basically the fees no more than 5% fees, just because you're using a hosted solution that doesn't support your preferred payments gateway. Of course, you can use multiple payments gateway methods, like it gets paid via PayPal and other stuff. And of course, you're not tied to any products or invoice or amount. So here you can go to the payment links. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that you can choose. Of course, you can just go for the free, and it already has the 30 payments gateway. Plus, of course, you can go to the payment links in here. Of course, you'll have to create an account. And here, basically, you'll be able to see the supported like gateways as an example, and you find Venmo there. And if you didn't find it, you'll find like PayPal, and you can connect PayPal to Venmo, and you should be good to go after connecting PayPal to Tree or Linktree. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.